Hello everybody, welcome back to your Friday market update. I hope everybody is well. I hope you're all doing very okay out there. We are now coming to the end of another week, so of course I do have another update video for you. Just like I've been doing over the last couple of days, these are simply the day-to-day update videos that I've been making for you guys, simply compiling all of the stocks that we've been looking at on the channel over the course of tonight. You guys do seem to enjoy these videos, they do seem to get quite a few views, and again, it doesn't really take me much extra effort to make them, so if you do enjoy this one, if it does seem good, if you enjoy it, as I say, please make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, it does all support the channel. Again guys, this is just a compilation video, so I'm going to jump straight into it. I hope you do enjoy it. With that being said guys, let's get in. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight we are looking at Plug stock. This one today is up again, and today we're seeing gains of nearly 30%, a very impressive day to say the least. Over the course of this video, I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy the episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but do remember this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now I'm very impressed with this stock today. I'm very impressed with the fact that we've been able to break out of key levels of resistance, around about $2, high $2 mark, into $3. This is a very, very good sign. We're now, of course, gapping up from the 315 high that we've seen recently, in fact, even from the lows that we've seen, all the way to levels well above the high $3 range. Now, of course, the stock is falling a little bit. This is not something that I wouldn't expect to see. Looking forwards into the next couple of days of next week, I am actually expecting some consolidation. Initially, I'm looking for consolidation levels roughly around 350, 355. If you don't see those hold up, I think you could be dropping as low as 335, and if you don't see that, I'm looking then to 322. Now, believe it or not, I actually think any of those levels would be a good thing. Again, we would love to see this one push up, but you are now coming to a point in the past 3 months or so where the RSI yet again is touching the overbought range. Not necessarily a direct indicator that things are going to fall, but it does of course help to improve the likelihood of this happening. Now again, if we were to see this stock dip a little bit into next week, considering all that we've seen over the past week or so, or past couple of weeks, this wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. It would set us up nicely with some consolidation for the next potential push up. Honestly though, I am very impressed here. Simply put, I'm looking for a consolidation point next week. I'm aware of the possibility of a drop, and again, that's what I'm looking for potentially going forwards. Thank you for your time guys, hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're looking today at Opendoor stock. Now this one is up by 2% over the course of today's trading. I think this is ultimately a good thing. I'm giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on Opendoor stock going forwards into next week too. If you do enjoy these videos, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, do remember this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now to be honest guys, I'm pretty impressed with Opendoor stock today. We know the stock's been dropping for quite some time now. This is something that we've seen obviously on the charts over the past couple of days. Let's zoom out if we can to the 1-day chart where you can see this in much greater context, right? Stock has been dropping for some time, especially since we hit and went above $10. Now we're seeing the stock come down and begin to consolidate around the range of $8, slightly down to the $7, the $7.80, the $7.70 point. This is a very, very good sign, and I think today is yet another positive sign of things potentially to come. Now going forwards into next week, levels that I'm looking to hold up. Initially, I am looking to hold on to the 8.12, 8.15 mark. I'm then looking potentially down to the $7.98, $8 mark. Holding above $8 would be the best level to watch for going forwards into next week. Now in terms of breakout potential, we are looking for 8.33. We're then looking to go up to 8.50, and from there you could be looking to touch 8.56. Now that's going to be the first level before, in my opinion, if we're able to go to there, the major resistance points, which are going to be around 8.70 all the way up to 8.80, right? You're seeing that resistance here, 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 and here as well. So that's all the levels that I'm watching for, guys. Very simple. Again, I'm very happy with this consolidation, and I think now that we are building that consolidation, we could be coming to a point where we are looking for another potential leg up with this stock in the next couple of weeks. That's just my opinion though. Let me know yours down below. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're looking here at NIO stock. Now this one for today is actually down by 4.3%. We are seeing a momentum to the downside here with NIO. However, I do not think this is necessarily as bad as many people think. Over the course of this video, I'm of course giving you my opinions. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you do enjoy. Now as I say, NIO stock is down, but one thing stands out to me. Unfortunately, we were not able to get that breakout pushing us above the $7.98 range. We tried to go up to there, we just weren't able to hold it, and and obviously pushed to the downside. We are now holding onto support ranges roughly at 750, which is a very, very good sign. We are seeing strong supports historically when we look back. You can obviously draw the parallel to this time period here as well, which is potentially a very good sign looking forwards, right, as this could be a next level to watch for support. Now at the same time, I want to zoom out to the past 3 or so months with NIO, perhaps even a bit longer to the 6 months. And you can see NIO's been on this tangent trend for a long time, right, moving to the upside, a little bit of a consolidation, next move to the upside, a little bit of a consolidation with the same thing to happen. Now it looks like, let's reload this page to clarify it, it looks like we are seeing things with NIO stock really starting to find that floor where we are seeing the next potential level. Again, zoom out to the 6 month and you can see the stock is obviously ultimately moving up, but now finding that level of consolidation, especially recently. So the question is, where do we find the bottom for this push? Well, you could possibly be looking to go as low as a $7 range. $7 on the dot is a possibility. We have, of course, seen this over the last couple of days. You're then looking potentially lower to the 680s. Again, I think this is a very interesting position with NIO stock. We could absolutely be on the verge of a breakout, but we just don't have confirmation yet. I wouldn't be buying on Monday, this is just my personal opinion. I'd be holding this one and waiting for a little bit, but that is, of course, just my opinion, not financial advice. The reason why I say that is because, of course, if it does dip lower, you could be looking to find better pricing opportunities in the near future. As I say, that's just my opinion. I'd love to hear yours down below. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking here at DVLT stock today. This is Datavault. You can see this one is down by 14.3% over the course of today's trading. We're going to be looking at everything today. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But as always, remember, this is not financial advice. Now, what you're seeing here with this stock today is, of course, red. And a lot of people are going to see this as a massive, massive loss. But you zoom out and in context, this is actually not that big. This stock is up huge over the last couple of weeks. So this is kind of what you may expect. I think, honestly, things are lining up very nicely. I think despite the fact that we are dropping today, we are now coming down a lot on the RSI, coming very much into the neutral range. We're also not dropping past the key levels of support to watch out for. It does appear to be the case that we are holding above ranges such as 125. You've seen us briefly touch on that range here, levels that we've seen back here in the past. You are looking at seeing this one potentially hold going forwards into the next trading week. This is going to be a very key level to watch out for. I think if you don't hit this, you're looking to go down to the 119 range, potentially down to the 113 range, or even down to the 108, 110 range. So there's a lot to play for here, guys. I think this is a very interesting one to watch. At the same time, to the upside, you're looking to levels such as 130, 137, 140 for a potential push higher from there. Anyway, that's just my opinions, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at BURU. This is Naburu stock. This one is up today by 10.9%. Things are looking very, very good over here. I'm giving you all of my thoughts and opinions over the course of this video. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, first thing that I'm happy with is how this stock is beginning to find a nice level of support. You're seeing ultimate bottoms at the moment down at the 22 mark, and you are seeing a higher level, slightly higher than that, just under the 23 mark, around the 23 mark. So things here looking very impressive. You're looking to hold these levels going into next week. And again, considering how much the stock is up in the past couple of days, past couple of weeks for that matter, I think things here are looking very good. I think what we're seeing here is an inevitable sell-off, people taking profits and the like, as you may expect. However, if this does begin to consolidate, you are looking for a potential move up here, which could be very, very impressive. You're then looking to break above the 25-cent range for a potential push up to the 27 mark and beyond from there. Anyway, guys, this is just my personal thoughts and opinions. I'd love to hear what you guys are looking for. Ultimately, I'm looking for some consolidation next for the next potential push up. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Thank you and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking here at GME. This is, of course, GameStop stock. You can see this one today is falling quite a bit. We're down by almost 5% over today's trading. Over the course of this video, I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, though, remember, this is not financial advice. Now, first thing that I am looking for today, I'm looking to see if the stock is actually holding above levels such as 560, and of course, that is the case. You're holding above these levels of support at 2560, as I say. I actually think I said 560, but I mean 2560. Right, you're seeing those hold up back here, you know, 2567, 2568. These levels are holding nicely. If you do see this one continue to drop out of this range, things do become a little bit more concerning, as you could be seeing a drop down to the 2550 range from there. Below that, you're looking down to the 2540s, 2530s potentially. Now on the opposite side, if you are to see this one flip to the upside, you are looking for another few key levels. You're looking to break out of $26, that's a key level to watch out for. And the next major level of resistance that I'm looking for is around $26.25, $26.30. That is a level to the upside. I think this stock is one with a lot of potential, guys, especially considering the drop that we have seen. It's not the best case scenario, but look at how much the stock is up over the past couple of weeks. I think it's not the worst thing in context if we are able to find a support and catch a bottom for this stock very, very soon. That's my thoughts. Let me know yours down below. Thank you, goodbye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're looking here at AMD stock today, which is down by just under 3%. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good, guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, though, please remember this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now, jumping straight in, what do you notice here? Well, I notice here that AMD stock has had difficulty breaking above key levels. You've seen a lot of difficulty breaking above the 170, 171 range. You are seeing this resistance historically here, and now you're seeing it come up again. Now that we've dropped below that, the question is, where do we go to? Well, if we're looking for historical levels, you're looking for supports in the range of 162, 163, potentially down to 161, 162. You can see all of those levels are holding up through this period here and here as well. I think this is one to watch out for with this stock going forwards into next week, as there is a possibility that we could see this one drop to those levels. Now, at the same time, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce towards the late part of the day. If we are able to see this one break into the next week, you are looking to touch and break above levels such as 166, 167 for a potential push onto 168.30 and beyond from there. Those are the key levels that I'm looking for, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking now at LTC. Now this one is up today. Litecoin is up yet again, up by 2.76%. This is a very impressive day to say the least, and things here are looking relatively good. Over the course of the video, as always, I'm giving you all of my thoughts and opinions. Now going forwards into next week, things are getting very interesting. You're seeing Litecoin break above recent levels of resistance, such as 123, all the way up to the range of 124.40, 124.50. Now this at the moment is holding a little bit of a resistance so far, so this is one to watch out for. You've seen that resistance here, you've seen it back here too, you've also seen it through periods in this time period as well. If you're able to break past that, you're looking to 126, and if you're able to break past that, you could be looking to retest the 130, 140 range, where things do traditionally get very interesting. Now if you're not able to see that, you are initially looking for a drop down to the 117.40s, 117.50s, potentially down to the $116 range. Below that, stronger supports are formed at the $115 range, and below that down at the 113s for a potential push down to the 112 and 110 mark. These are the key levels that I'm looking for, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.